Man, we trying to get famous, bro. Yeah. From the hood, man. This shit crazy. Because let's go, okay. I lost my daddy when I was 2 years old, man. I've been going in this life on my motherfucking own, man. Gotta keep the 40 on me. I can't lose my homies. This shit is crazy, man. I'm so hungry, need that money. I'll bust your ass with the 380, man, cause it's nothing. And all my niggas, man, the youngin' been about to bustin'. I'm 18 years old, but I been ever been clutching. I ain't never about to start. I'll lay your ass down, but to me, man, it's nothing, man. I'm trying to get this money, trying to get up out the hood. I'm trying to rock them Rarries and Lambs, nigga. I'm trying to be on MTV with hundreds of grands, nigga. Do my dance with big bands in my pants, nigga. I've been trying to get rich. I bought some dumb shit, so I cost my hope, and then I take up on the dumb lick. Get the 40, nigga. I don't give a fuck, dumb bitch. I lay your ass down, bitch. Don't make me draw my gun quick. R.I.P. the Titus, man. That's my fucking thug, bitch. I shoot you in your face and watch the fucking blood drip. My niggas talking shit, but I don't give a fuck. I got a 30 in a Glock and I'ma let that bitch buzz, nigga. I done lost so many niggas to the motherfucking street. Like, man, it's fucked up, but tell that nigga he can't sleep at night. Clutching on the neck, gotta keep that bitch real tight. Automatic on my side, bitch, I mean it's gonna die. All my niggas cutting fofos in the fucking 45. Smoking kush up in my section, bitch, you know we got it right. Get it out the mud, it's understood, it's all good. Throwing phones in my hood, you know how we been rocking. We went from Jabos to True Religions and them rocks. These niggas talking shit, but they don't wanna see the Glock. I'ma lay a nigga down when that motherfucker pop. I'ma shoot him in his face and watch a motherfucker drop on the hood. Bitch, you think I'm playing? Bitch, I'm about that action. Like Lil Bango said, like Tap Lips, we get it cracking. These niggas talking shit, but about that fofo, I be packing on the hood. I'm leaving niggas napping on the hood.